What is up? Half Big Beard here, and we've got some beard mail.
Jolly old fat man.
That's right. All right, open that bad boy up. Oh yeah, and then they have the coolest. He's got the coolest boxes. The way these things show up. Yeah. Stay jolly and bearded. All right, whip it open. Whip it open.
Not which side.
Alright, whip it open. Alright.
Ooh, there's wrapping paper and it says Josh, hope you enjoy. Scare Bam stickers inside.
Santa Bam.
Santa Bam.
Santa Bam. Bam.
There's a big thing.
Bam's a great guy. He's the owner of Jolly Old Fat Man. I don't know if any of you guys have much interaction with him, but he's just a great guy. Always down to help out, and I know he's got some of the coolest shit. Right now, actually, I know I got. Oh snap! We got butter too.
Yeah.
Nice.
He has a new
We've got
logo.
the oh yeah by my boy, Mr. That Metal Guy, 1983. Hell yeah!
It's
Boom,
called
boom,
the
boom.
Oh Yeah.
The pop of a top or a bottle cap hitting the table. That's an oh yeah moment. That moment where you know you're about to enter your happy place. This scent will take you there. Well, take me to my happy place. If I can get this lid off.
He brought me to the happy place.
Ooh, that is good. It does smell like it's like sparkly.
Yeah, you can smell like some Coke. You can smell Coke for sure.
Oh, like Coca-Cola?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, come off of there.
And you can also smell
What
like
the frig?
orange kind of.
This isn't cool at all. I can't get the oh yeah. Alright, there we go.
Doja, no.
I thought.
He said some Bam stickers.
Ooh, got some stickers in there. I think they're probably in here.
Probably.
Oh, sweet.
I
Dude, look at this sweet ass big sticker.
Ooh,
Hell yeah. And then we got the Jolly Old Fat Man. Oh yeah. And see, I was pretty sure I got the hybrid. I did. But we got the oil. Oh, here's the hybrid right here. Here we go. And the hybrid. Mmm. God, it smells so good. Look at that shit. How fucking cool. Oh man. That's smooth. Well, it's got like a little bit of boozy smell to it. Let's see, I can't remember. Let's see, he's got the BTMS 25 mango butter, shea butter, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, apricot kernel oil, beeswax, and fragrance. Hells yes. Let's check this out.
The butter doesn't really
Bam!
have...
That hybrid is freaking nice.
The butter doesn't really have...
It's a hybrid.
What's
His
the
hybrid, well, it's like kind of a mix of butter and oil, and this is the oil. Or
that one has a boozy scent.
It's his Jolly Juice. Jolly Juice. And this has meadow foam seed oil. I don't know if you guys have heard much about that, but it's fucking awesome shit. And apricot kernel oil, sweet almond oil, hemp seed oil, shea. What does this say?
Got your turtleneck here.
Shea oat. I don't know what the fuck that says. Shea ocean oil. BTMS 50 fragrance oil.
Right now you can turn your turtleneck into
Wow,
a
that's
mouse.
so clean.
I turned my turtleneck
Get that mask
into a
off your
mouse.
face. Awesome. Well, dude, Mr. Metal Guy, your collab is fucking phenomenal.
Yes,
I cannot
it is.
wait, dude, to get it in beard.
I can't wait
Bam,
to get
a
it
Jolly
in
Old
there.
Fat Man. Dude, I look forward to trying more of your products. That's for
Same.
sure.
That
Wow.
is just
Awesome. All right,
amazing.
guys.
I
Well,
really
thank you
like
so
it.
much. And I can't wait to try this out, let you guys know how I think. Remember,
This is
stay
the
baked
inside of it.
and stay bearded. Have it it is. Time to smash that fucking like button and subscribe. I promise there's more content coming soon.